But we begin this new time with that breaking news on a controversy between the Attorney General and a Superior Court judge. Moments ago, a Superior Court judge announced he has filed a complaint against the state's top prosecutor, seeking a disciplinary investigation. Target 12 investigator Tim White was in Providence Superior Court for this morning's unusual hearing and is here now in studio with all the details. Tim?
Yeah, Alex, Judge Daniel Procaccini took the Attorney General to task in a statement he read in court, accusing Peter Neronha of acting unprofessionally in a series of social media posts Neronha wrote earlier this month. Now, as you recall, Procaccini ordered Neronha to appear in court today after Neronha posted critical comments of so-called bench trials. Those are when a judge decides a defendant's fate rather than a jury. Judge Procaccini often presides over those kinds of hearings. Neronha has been fighting that order, saying it is a violation of his First Amendment rights, but in a remarkable 18-minute statement in court this morning, Procaccini was highly critical of Neronha, essentially saying the AG was spreading misinformation and that Neronha's statements may have violated 5 rules of the state's Code of Conduct for Lawyers. Procaccini canceled his demand for Neronha to appear and instead filed a complaint to the Office of the Disciplinary Counsel for an investigation.
That statement of the Attorney General is completely false, reckless, and a disparaging attack on the integrity of this court and the Superior Court bench trial process. Our profession, the many ethical lawyers who appear before the Superior Court every day, and this court deserve better than to have the Attorney General widely disseminating public statements prohibited by the rules of professional conduct.
In response, the Attorney General sent a lengthy statement that reads in part, "The court today has accused me of conduct in violation of the professional rules of responsibility and more. I categorically reject those accusations and have absolutely no doubt that any forum that may ultimately hear these accusations will reject them as well." And Alex, we should note that Neronha was not in the courtroom himself. His office announced yesterday that he was exposed to COVID while on a trip and is symptomatic.
And Tim, I looked at the Attorney General's social media shortly after today's hearing. It looks like he is not backing down here.
Absolutely not. This dust-up has not tempered his presence on social media. A short time ago, he posted how he will always speak up for victims of crimes and, quote, "Don't like my words, refute them or go home." And it sure sounds like the judge is refuting them.
All right, Tim, you will have more on this tonight on 12 News at 5 and 6. We'll see you then.
Thank you.